more than I thought. I need help. I'm about to die. Oh, is someone there?
I'll finally have my vengeance.
Give me a hand.
No, but wait over my class.
What do you mean? Help me.
You'll pay for betraying us.
Sister, no. Everything's a misunderstanding, I swear. Please, no. Don't let me die like this. My sister.
No, please stop this madness.
What? But he's evil. He let our parents die when we were younger.
It wasn't like that. Let me tell you what happened.
Are you serious?
Before we were born, Mom and Dad wanted to create a sweet little girl because they thought it was the most appropriate option. Someone easy to raise and who met all their demands. Someone sweet and pleasant enough, but at the same time determined and brave. Simply you, the perfect kitten.
What was that?
Something went wrong. And from that experiment, they created me, too.
I didn't expect two.
What's
You
wrong?
shouldn't have been born. Go away.
But Daddy, I still love you.
They give me everything I want, and you're trash!
Why are you that rude?